everyone, this is Soumya and you're watching the Global Tales. Welcome back to my channel, and as the title suggests, this is a summer drink for glowing and clear skin. So basically I've been getting this request a lot, that what is that one particular antioxidant drink that you recommend for this summer. I will definitely go for this one that I have been trying lately and has all the boost of antioxidants and is a perfect blend for your summer to get clearer and glowing skin. So you can, yes, definitely make sure to add it in your routine. But yes, as I always say, exercise play a very important role when you have to get that inner glow that reflects out on your face. So yes, make sure that you work out and keep your skin very clean at the very same time. That is really very important, along with clean nutrition. Now when we talk about nutrition, it's very important that you take care of what you eat. It has to be clean, it has to be loaded with whole grains, lots of fruits and vegetables, and especially when you go for vegetables, you have to go for green leafy vegetables. It will really make sure that you have boost vitamin C in your body, and as a result you get a clearer glowing skin. So I get this question a lot of times, and I always say that I focus on greens, I focus on eating fruit. Next step is cleansing. So cleansing plays a very important role if you want to have a clearer and a glowing skin. So yes, I use this apple cider vinegar foaming face wash that has been sent to me by Mamaearth. They have two variants. One is Upton face wash and one is apple cider vinegar with the key ingredient that's aloe vera and apple cider vinegar. So I've been using this apple cider vinegar foaming face wash with aloe vera water. So basically it cleanses the dirt, gives you a squeaky, clean, everyday skin and clears the clogged part, removing excess oil and promoting healthier and clearer skin. Also, it maintains the pH of the skin. Aloe vera water that's present in it, which is one of the best skin hydrating agent and is very ideal for summers to keep it skin plump. You know, I recommend Mamaearth products because they have of their plant goodness initiative. Every time you buy from them, Mamaearth link the order on the website to the tree they plant, and by 2025 they aim to plant about 1 million trees. Also, they are cruelty free. They have been awarded the PETA's cruelty free and beauty without bunny certification. They are vocal for local, toxin free, and that's why I recommend them. So you can get it for yourself. Use Glow 2021 on mamaearth.in to get 20% off, and also it's available on Amazon, Nykaa and Flipkart. So yes, you can definitely give this a try. Now I'm going to give you a recipe of my current detox drink that I am having lately, almost every day nowadays, and it is having green tea. So we have made this green tea as normally as we can, and we have kept it for about 10 to 15 minutes so that it becomes cold. And then it's aloe vera juice, then we have some lemon, and then we have some mint leaves. So all of them are really very good for summer season and helps to boost antioxidants in your body, will give you great feeling, that fresh feeling that you need in summers. So yes, we put this green tea that has turned into cold water now because we have kept it for about 15 to 20 minutes. Then I'm adding about 1 lemon into it. After that, we are going to add this 2 to 3 tablespoons of aloe vera juice. You can get it for any brand, or if, like for example, I have a aloe vera plant in my house, so I use that. And then we are going to add some mint leaves. Very easy to prepare. You just have to have green tea ready, and then this drink will be ready in just seconds. It's very easy, but yes, again, very yummy as well. It has a boost of antioxidants, and make sure that you have it regularly, and I can assure you that you will see great results when it comes to your skin. And yes, try it for yourself. I hope you will find it useful. Short and quick video. Try it for yourself and let me know. Do hit the subscribe button and the bell icon in order to never miss any update. I'll see you soon. Bye bye. Stay fit, stay happy.